My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like even rain comes over, I'm straight.
Trail running is a sport which consists of running or hiking through mountainous terrain and secondary roads. It's different from marathons and other types of hiking because unlike those, trail running tracks are much more aggressive and challenging, often with a high amount of ascents and descents. Therefore, both the nature of the terrain and the different heights are two fundamental characteristics of trail running.
Unlike other races, which are much shorter, rarely longer than 12 kilometers, trail running doesn't have a limited track distance and therefore the routes can be quite longer. Runners have to use specially designed mountain running shoes, which are thicker and more resistant than normal running shoes.
Carrying the basic items for survival is a must. You can carry water with a special backpack which has a tube to which the runner can drink at any time. Having some extra clothing in case of need is also advised. Many runners use sticks specially made for mountain running so they can increase their speed and maintain their balance. Depending on the weather and the track, as part of the basic items, the runner has to carry with him bottles of water, sunglasses, sun protection, and frontal lights when the event occurs during nighttime or in low visibility tracks. In case of a competition, the use of certain equipment could be mandatory.
A good example of trail running course is the Marathon of La Frontera, which takes place in El Port, Catalonia. In this, we can observe certain data of long-distance race with many ascents and descents. The consumption of kilocalories is high, which is why the usual rhythm as with the runners do the course is constant and of low speed.
For instance, in the first ascent of 4 kilometers with 409 meters of height difference and an inclination of 10% from Poveta del Toril to Caseta Bernarda, Pedro, a runner, consumed 63.3 kilocalories in 36 minutes with a power of 10.17 horsepower at a speed of 9 minutes per kilometer.
We can also observe that in a different descent, the consumed energy is much lower and as a result, so is the power. For example, at the distance from Cruïlla plant to Area de la Fou of 2.1 kilometers with a height difference of minus 393 meters and with an inclination of minus 19%, Pedro consumes 11.3 kilocalories in 14.4 minutes and developed a horsepower of 0.07 at speed of 6.9 minutes per kilometer.